So here I have RTist 11.2 running on Eclipse 2021-06, also called 4.20, as you can see here. So when you install this version of RTist, the first thing you need to do is to open eclipse.ini and change this VM argument, because now Eclipse ships with Java 16 JVM, and you cannot use that for RTist. You need to use an Java 11 JVM. And we support OpenJDK and Oracle JDK, so you can choose any of those. And then you also need to go here in Preferences, and under Install Update Available Software Sites, you must unmark this checkbox. That was there already before, but now they have slightly renamed it. It's called Latest Eclipse Simultaneous Release now. So unmark that, because otherwise Eclipse will automatically update itself to the latest version, which by now I think is 2021-12. This one should be marked 2021-06. That's from where necessary plugins will be downloaded from eclipse.org in case they are needed while installing RTist. And then you install as usual using this install new software. You should be aware, as I said, that so don't be surprised if you only see the top level core component. That's because the others are not yet migrated to the Maven build system, so we have not included them. But here you get, I would say, at least 80% of all functionality in this main feature. And it also contains the model compiler, so you can use code generation, and a few other features here also are available. Then to learn more about 11.2, you can go to our info center. So this page was created today, and here you have some useful information, for example, links to where you can download the correct Eclipse version. There is also a what's new presentation for 11.2 that I will not go into details about now, but I will run or demo these new improvements in Eclipse in a couple of months when we do the final delivery of 11.2. But if you're curious already now, you can find the links here to what are new in all these Eclipse versions, starting from 2020-09 up to 2021-06. There are quite many both features and bug fixes included. And I have also made some highlights of features that I think are of special interest for RTist users, or at least what I find interesting in these lists when going through them. And there is also some information about the new CDT, which now is 10.3. It used to be a 9.11, so there are quite many improvements also in CDT. And you can click on these 4 links here if you want to read about the details of all those improvements. Here you find the updated installation instructions. It's basically the same as before, but with those important differences that I highlighted.